There are over 2 million real estate agents like me in the US today, and it's still incredible how much opportunity is out there with new tech tools at our disposal. Now we're living on an ongoing revolution in this business.
Homesnap has been playing a central role in the reshaping of the real estate business through technology. We make it simple to find homes with unique features that really refine the home search. We are the industry's national search portal, and we have successfully run millions of ads for agents across the country, and they're selling houses faster and for more money.
Homesnap automates the Waze ad buying process, so we agents don't have to create ads from scratch or need to master digital marketing, targeting, and optimization techniques. It's all very straightforward.
What Waze brings to the table is a new spin on place advertising. It actually puts the equivalent of a virtual billboard right inside of a prospective client's car.
Waze has this unique capacity to showcase available properties near drivers while they're on the go. So open houses, just drive-bys. If they're down the street and stop at a red light, or they stop at a stop sign, they're going to pop up just like one of these big retailers. And that not only helps drive people to the house, but it also impresses the seller themselves that when they're driving around that they get to see their own listing on a huge app like Waze.
With our channel partner program, the Waze Ads team supports resellers in promoting our advertising solutions to SMBs.
Joining the Waze Channel Partner Program is the perfect way to solidify your relationship with Waze. It takes an informal relationship and turns it into something that you can build on and grow on for years to come. It provides you access inside of Waze at multiple different levels. It provides you with access to the API that allows you to automate and build things that you never thought were possible.
Being a Waze ads channel partner puts us in an even more relevant position in this hyper-competitive business. And we're pretty sure there's going to be much more to come.